the emergency worksheet. As you saw in the DVD, Sam made sure the worksheet was finished. Important information was on the worksheet. The magnet was put on the refrigerator. The emergency kit was in a place easy to find. Sam met neighbors and practiced the emergency evacuation plan.
The Consumer Advisory Committee believes in being the example. Being the example can help others be prepared.
My name's Tom Sardo. I'm from Los Angeles. I am a community facilitator for persons with developmental disabilities. What I've noticed in Los Angeles, at least more recently, is people seem to have a desire to want to connect with their local neighborhoods and communities more than they have in the past. My job is to help people get more involved in their communities, start making their own decisions, and lead more independent, integrated lives. It's critical to know your neighbors around you in case there is a natural disaster. First responders are not going to be the first people on site, your neighbors are. In particular, persons with disabilities and seniors need to know who their neighbors are. Your neighbors are your safety net. Being visible in the community just really means you're part of it. It can be just as simple as people knowing your name.
The worksheet is divided into sections. Personal information. This tells people who you are. Health and medical information. This tells people important things about your health and medical needs. Important things I use, such as eyeglasses, walker, wheelchair, the things you need. Communication. This tells people how to talk to you during an emergency. Emergency kit supply list. This is a list of items you can choose to put into your kit. If you wish to put items not on this list into your kit, you may choose to do so. Important people in an emergency. These are people that a first responder or neighbor can call in the event of an emergency. Who to call for emergency information. The phone numbers of the local police and fire department. It is also where you can get emergency information from the television and radio when you need it. And the last section is safety tips to help you be prepared.
Remember, you can choose the information you would like to share.
If you provide complete and clear information, first responders, people who will come to your home like the police, fire department, or your neighbors will know how to help you.
As a professional first responder that does respond to emergency situations, it's very imperative that people understand that when we arrive on scene, whether it be law enforcement, paramedics, fire, or even the American Red Cross, that the situation is going to be in flux, it's going to be chaotic. And what is going to help us is knowing if they have special needs. For instance, they're hearing impaired, or they don't respond well to bright lights and loud noises, and they may retreat back from us.
Your facilitator will now help you complete your worksheet. Remember, this is the first step in preparing for an emergency and will be personalized to meet your needs. At the end of this video, please complete your worksheet and the discussion questions and activity, and then click on 4, the magnet.